for this one, you had to use Gaussian elimination, which means that you have to take this system of equations and get it down to triangular form, which is when you have this equation right here, x minus y plus z equals 0, negative 2y plus 3z equals negative 1, and z equals 1. But to do that, we multiplied our first equation by negative 2 and added it to equation number 2. And you would get this as your new step equation. X minus y plus z equals 0, 2y minus 5z equals negative 1, negative x minus y plus 2z equals negative 1. Then you would add equation 1 to equation 3 to eliminate the x's right here. So you go x plus negative x would give you nothing, and then negative y plus negative y equals negative 2y, z plus 2z equals 3z, 0 plus negative 1 is negative 1. And then you add equation number 2 to equation number 3. So you would get 2y minus 5z equals negative 1, negative 2y plus 3z equals negative 1, negative 2z equals negative 2, and z equals 1. So then to finish it off, you would write x minus y plus z equals 0, negative 2y plus 3z equals negative 1, z equals 1. And then to solve it, you would use substitution and plug in your z for all your values. So you would do negative 2y minus 5 times 1 equals negative 1. So your answer would be 2y minus 5 gives you a negative 1. So to solve that, you would go like this. So you would go, okay, so you would go like this. And then you would solve it, and to solve for y, you would get y equals 2. To get your x, you would substitute your y in. So you did, that's the negative 2y plus 3z one. So you would plug it in and you get negative 2y plus 3 equals negative 1. Then you subtract the 3 on this side, get negative 4. Negative 2y equals negative 4, and y equals 2. To solve for x, you would take this value, plug it into your equations. So you would get 4 minus 5z equals negative 1. And then you would do, let's see here. Okay, so you would do 4 minus 5z. And then you would, do negative 2 plus 1 equals 0. X minus 2 plus z equals 0. X minus y equals negative 1. And x equals 1.